컴퓨터와 함께하는 SOS 생활영어 시간입니다.
What's going on, Mr. O?
반갑습니다.
How are you doing today?
네, wonderful.
Wonderful or
And
wonderful?
yourself?
I'm doing very well, very well.
잘 지내고 있습니까?
Although last weekend I went to a coffee shop in Insadong.
지난주에 인사동에는 커피숍을 갔었는데.
Not coffee shop, a tea shop. It's a,
티샵이라는
right, traditional tea shop.
그래요. 전통 찻집.
But I went to this really cool place. Like I think it was called Bird something or like I don't know, like the birds. 새들 or something like 새들 차.
무슨 새들 뭐 새둥지 뭐 어쨌든 예 그런데.
Right. So so I walked inside and stuff and I heard all these tweeting. It's like tweet 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 tweet.
새가 많이 있어요 그 안에?
Well, inside apparently I didn't realize that. I thought it was just called it was called birds or something. But they had birds inside, and not only were they inside, but they were free to fly everywhere they wanted to.
아, 그 좀 깨끗하죠. 근데 내 말이 아니 그러니까 새장도 많이 있었고 그 전통차집에는 새도 그냥 풀어놔서 새가 막 이렇게 날아다니고 그랬대.
Yeah. So
하나 찍 싸면 어떡해?
Right. So you're sitting around and you're having your tea, and then all of a sudden it's like whoosh, like
갑자기
bird
그냥
comes flying in front
손님
of your
앞으로
face.
그냥 휙 지나가기도 하고.
Yeah. So it was kind of annoying. I mean, it's an interesting concept. But at the same time, it's like who wants birds flying around? They were dropping guano. Do you know what guano is?
guano가 그러니까 이게
bird droppings.
새똥.
새똥.
아니 그러니까 차 멋있게 그 전통차집에서 차를 마시고 있는데 새가 왔다 갔다 하면서 새똥 삥 싸고 그거 좋아하는 거 없어요. 이거 컨셉은 재밌는데.
Right. But my friend got guano on her leg. And it's like they don't really reimburse you. They don't give you money back for for your tea or anything. It's just like, oh yeah, sorry, we have birds flying around, so you can expect to
사람 많아요?
별로. Not that many.
야,
No.
희한한 찻집도 다 있네.
I think a lot of people have learned their lesson, so they don't go there anymore.
그러게.
Yeah,
아이고, 봐, 그 새똥이 이렇게 바지에 묶고는 좀 그렇게.
Yeah.
야, 그런 데도 다 있구나. 하여간 이제 먹고 살기가 힘드니까 온갖 아이디어를 이제 다 내서 이런 것처럼 해보는 것 같아요.
They're cute birds, but well, anyway, it's just nobody likes bird poop on their legs.
그렇습니다.
그렇습니다.
자, 여러 가지 동물들을 좋아하는지 물어보고 있는 그런 대화가 나오는데 대화를 먼저 한번 들어보시죠.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like hummingbirds.
How about fish?
Yes, I have a fish tank at home.
네, 먼저 남자 얘기예요. 새들 좋아하세요?
Do you like birds?
Do you like birds?
I hate them.
정말?
They poop on my friend's leg.
내 친구의 다리에다가 응가를 해서 싫어. 네, 노래하는 새가 난 좋아요.
Yes, I like hummingbirds.
Yes, I like hummingbirds.
Oh, songbirds?
songbirds?
Is that what 노래하는
노래하는
새?
새.
Oh, okay.
물고기 좋아하세요? 물고기?
How about fish?
How about fish?
How about fish?
How about fish? 네, 집에 어항이 있어요.
Yes, I have a fish tank at home.
Yes, I have a fish tank at home. 이런 거요. 부지런하지 않으면은 참 이런 거 기르기 쉽잖아요. Should be very diligent, to have this kind of stuff. Animal, the pets,
oh gosh,
or
I
the
know.
birds, even the plants.
Really? Yeah,
even
no,
a
it's
small
like taking
flower.
care of a kid.
그 정말 애기 키우는 거하고 똑같아.
Yeah, exactly.
그러지 않으면 이거 참. 그래서 난 참 존경스럽습니다. 집에
fish are pretty easy though.
그래도
You don't have to birth
relatively,
them.
that's right. 뭐 비교적 쉽긴 하지만 그것도 not very easy. 아주 쉽진 않습니다.
Yeah, right.
자, 새들 좋아하세요 하는 말.
Do you like birds?
Do you like birds?
Do you like birds?
물고기는 어때요?
How about fish?
How about fish?
먹는 거?
먹는 거는 무슨? 자, 유용한 영어 표현들입니다. 바로 그거예요.
You hit the spot.
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 뭐 꼭 그렇진 않아요.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
그냥 농담을 해본 말이에요.
I said it just for fun.
I said it just for fun.
I said it just for fun.
I said it just for fun. 아주 좋아요. 굉장하네요 하는 말 영어로.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's awesome shit.
That's awesome 성식. That's awesome shit.
awesome shit.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
오성식은 오썸하고 비슷하다.
That is so close, yeah.
그래. 자, 이번엔 질문거리죠. 무슨 애완동물을 키우십니까?
What kind of pets do you have?
What kind of pets do you have?
What kind of pets do you have?
카멜레온 좋아하세요?
Do you like chameleons?
Do you like chameleons?
Do you like chameleons?
어떤 애완동물을 갖고 싶으세요?
Which pet do you want to have?
Which pet do you want to have?
Which pet do you want to have?
한국에서 어떤 애완동물이 가장 비싼가요?
Which pet is most expensive in Korea?
Which pet is most expensive in Korea?
Which pet is most expensive in Korea?
제일 좋아하는 애완동물이 무언가요?
What is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet?
제일 좋아하는 애완동물이 무엇인가요? 그런 말입니다. 자, 대화를 다시 한번 들어보시겠습니다.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like hummingbirds.
How about fish?
Yes, I have a fish tank at home.